there's that certain level of confidence sa'yo na somehow you will get it. Na somehow you will get this franchise. And let me show the public how. No? Are you close to President Duterte?
No. Well,
No, you're not.
I'm from Davao, and I'm.
No. Are you close to him or not?
Yes, if.
Yes, you're close to him. Are you close to Mr. Bongo?
Opo.
Yes, okay. Nag-contribute ka ng, sa campaign ni Mr. Duterte?
Yes po, at
Yes.
nag-contribute rin po ako sa
Okay.
iba.
How much?
As declared po, I think contributed 30 million.
As declared, 30 million. Parang lumalabas na talagang lahat ng obstacles ay tinatanggal para mapaboran si Dennis Uy na kaibigan at campaign contributor ni Mr. Duterte at hindi lang yon at nung ibang mga senior cabinet officials na nagde-decide para pumili dito.
I think the best solution to remove any speculation is just really to submit all of the necessary requirements that is due everyone. So, hindi po kasalanan na maging kaibigan ni Numan, hindi rin po kasalanan na mamuhunan sa isang bagay, lalong-lalo na kung makakatulong ito sa ating mga kababayan. Pero syempre, hindi na natin, lalong-lalo na napakahalaga ng issue na ito, kailangan mabura natin ang impresyon na merong kinilingan. So sa tingin ko naman, kung magko-comply sila dun sa requirements talaga, wala naman tayo din masasabi. Ibig sabihin, dahil nga marami naman kayong mga iba't ibang kumpanya, kung ano man yung kinita ninyo doon, yun ang naging puhunan ninyo para malagyan ng kapital itong
Yes po.
undertaking
correct
ito. So hindi naman galing sa China lahat nitong
Hindi po.
pera na
Wala pong kapital galing sa China. Nangungutang na po tayo. Bank of China is a bank, and all they do is just approve the loans. No?
So, ngayon, dun sa China, wala namang sovereign guarantee na nakuha na pag pumalpak ito, yung...
Wala po. This is a private endeavor po.
Pero magkano ang ilalagay nung partner ninyo na Chinese firm, if ever?
They're up to 40% po on
40%.
whatever investment.
So, it's compliant with our laws anyway,
Yes po.
right?
And ako mismo, I don't want to break the law. I'm a
Okay.
Filipino. What for?
And
Yes.
yes, you're
Yes.
definitely. And then, but I would like to ask, no? Kunyari, pumasa yung Public Services Act. Tapos, pinayagan na natin yung dayuhan na magmay-ari ng 60% or more. Are you inclined to give up control?
Depends on commercial agreements po. But if the law, if the law will allow it, then it's commercial. But for sentimental reasons, for public interest, mahirap po, malayong mayari yun. Sa lahat, humingi po ako ng paumanhin na hindi ako naka-attend sa last hearing dahil out of town po ako attending an official event. Your Honors, matagal na tayong naghintay para sa isang world-class and affordable telecommunications provider, kung kaya't lubos naming nawaan kung bakit ito ay sinusuri ng mabuti ng kagalang-galang na komite. I am the chairman and officer of various publicly listed companies, and as evidenced by my track record as a businessman of over 20 years, I have fully complied with the PSC's very stringent standards on public disclosure. My companies operate on the highest standards of accountability, and this is something that we humbly assure this honorable committee. Ms. Latel went through the process of preparing for the bid for almost a year. Kami po ay dumaan ng butas ng karayom hanggat mapili po kami ng National Telecommunications Commission bilang new major player sa telecom sector. Maasahan po ninyo na tulad ng aming nakasanayan sa private sector, kami po ay magpapaliwanag ng buong katapatan at kalinawan. Bilang nagmamayari ng dalawang publicly listed companies, hindi bago sa akin ang konsepto ng public disclosure and good governance.